What if I told you that some animals on Earth look more like science fiction experiments than living creatures? Today, we're counting down the top 10 strangest animals that really exist. Let's begin. Top 10. The SAIGA antelope. At first glance, the SAIGA antelope looks like a mistake. Its oversized, drooping nose gives it an almost cartoonish appearance. But that strange feature is actually a survival tool. Living in the harsh grasslands of Central Asia, the SAIGA's nose filters dust during dry summers and warms freezing air during brutal winters. It allows the animal to survive extreme temperature changes that would kill most mammals. Strange to look at, but perfectly designed for its environment. Top 9. The goblin shark. This is one of the ocean's true nightmares. The goblin shark is often called the living fossil because it has barely changed for millions of years. But its most terrifying feature is its jaw. When prey is detected, the goblin shark's jaws shoot forward out of its skull, snapping shut in a fraction of a second. It's a feeding mechanism that looks more alien than animal. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, this creature hunts in total darkness, unseen and almost unchanged since prehistoric times. Top 8. The ii is a nocturnal primate found only in Madagascar, and it may be one of the strangest mammals alive. Its most unsettling feature is a long, skeletal middle finger. The ii taps on tree bark, listening for hollow sounds caused by insects inside. Once it finds prey, it chews a hole and uses that finger to pull insects out. It's essentially a woodpecker trapped inside a primate's body. Unfortunately, superstition has made this animal feared, often mistaken as a bad omen, despite its incredible intelligence. Top 7. Shoebill stork. Standing over 5 feet tall, the shoebill stork looks like a bird from the age of dinosaurs. It barely moves. It barely makes a sound. And when it hunts, it strikes with terrifying precision. The shoebill can remain perfectly still for hours before snapping forward to grab fish, frogs, or even baby crocodiles. Its massive shoe-shaped bill can crush prey instantly. Silent, patient, prehistoric. Top 6. Maned wolf. Despite its name, the maned wolf isn't really a wolf, and it isn't a fox either. Found in South America, this animal has unusually long legs, a narrow body, and a haunting howl that echoes through the night. Those long legs help it see over tall grass while hunting small prey. Its scent is so strong that locals once believed it was a supernatural creature. It looks like something out of a fantasy world, but it's 100% real. Top 5. Pangolin. The pangolin is the only mammal on Earth fully covered in scales. When threatened, it curls into a tight armored ball, making it nearly impossible for predators to bite through. Those scales are made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. Despite its incredible defenses, the pangolin is one of the most trafficked animals in the world. Its strange appearance and unique biology have made it highly misunderstood and critically endangered. Nature gave it armor. Humans became its biggest threat. Top 4. Axolotl. The axolotl looks like a smiling cartoon, but it hides a biological superpower. This amphibian never grows up. It remains in its juvenile form for its entire life, a process called neoteny. Even more unbelievable, the axolotl can regenerate lost limbs, organs, spinal tissue, and even parts of its brain. Scientists study it in hopes of unlocking medical breakthroughs for humans. An animal that can rebuild itself over and over again. Top 3. Leaf-tailed gecko. If you were staring directly at this animal, you probably wouldn't even see it. The leaf-tailed gecko is a master of camouflage. Its body looks exactly like a dead leaf, complete with veins, holes, and jagged edges. Predators can pass within inches without noticing anything unusual. It doesn't run. It doesn't fight. It simply disappears into its surroundings. Top 2. Mantis shrimp. Small, colorful, and unbelievably dangerous. The mantis shrimp has one of the fastest strikes in the animal kingdom. Its punch is so powerful that it creates shock waves underwater, strong enough to crack shells, break glass, and even produce flashes of light. Even more incredible, the mantis shrimp can see colors and light spectrums humans can't even imagine. It may be small, but in terms of raw power and perception, it's one of nature's most extreme designs. Top 1. Platypus. If aliens designed a mammal, it would probably look like this. The platypus has a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, lays eggs, senses electricity, and, just to make things stranger, males are venomous. When scientists first discovered it, many believed it was a hoax. Surely, no animal could have this many bizarre features. But the platypus is real, and it completely breaks the rules of biology. These animals may look strange to us, but every feature has a purpose. Nature doesn't create monsters. It creates survivors. And if creatures like these exist right now, hidden in forests, oceans, and grasslands, imagine what else is still waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because the natural world is far stranger than fiction. See you in the next one.